How to do bank payment in Businet. Users can do bank payment by selecting the bank name, instrument, type like check, demand draft, digital payment, or online transfer. The GL details of that bank will be auto-populated, and then users need to select another GL account for the debit amount. They also need to write the narration against it and can do the bill adjustment. Once the document is approved, users can take a PDF print of the voucher. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team.